Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 31 under Test of Orals Section 3. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D, choose the word that rhymes with the given word. So what we'll be looking at is the rhymes. So the word given to us is hard, and option A is horse, B is board, C is hard, D is board. So in order to answer this, I will transcribe each of the word given to us and each of the options, so we can see the sounds at the latter part of the word and then pick out the one that rhymes with the word given to us. So hard given to us is transcribed this way. So option A is horse, option B is board, option C is hard, and option D is bird. So we see that the sound or the rhyme scheme we have at the end of this word hard is this. You have the long O sound and the consonant sound, and we can find that in option B, board. So it has the same rhyme, or it is the word that rhymes with the word given to us. So the correct answer is B, board. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.